What is going on, guys? This is Mando with M Traders, and we're gonna be talking about our morning recap of what's going on. Right. So today we saw the markets are pretty red. The Dow is down about 500 points. Everything seems to be falling. So this is usually my watch list over here. If you guys can see it. Yeah, everything is red. I wish I was in Apple puts. However, I was not in Apple. Now, why is Apple falling? Well, I think all their stuff is manufactured over in China, and this is going to be the prices, the tariffs are going to be affecting their prices very, very, very significantly. They might want to rethink where they make their products, right? They might bring them here. Anyways, so really quick about to talk. So I was talking to you guys yesterday on natural gas. Natural gas, I said if it goes above 2.62, I'm looking to buy DGAZ. And at 2.65, I bought DGAZ. So I'm in DGAZ since 2.65. Now I think it should come down a bit more. I mean, we kind of start seeing an uptrend going, right? But after a good bullish reversal, it comes out with a bearish reversal. Now, do I think this is still going to come down? I do think so. We might want to retest now, probably about 2.61 to 2.62. So I'll be looking to exit at those points. Now, I am also in gold. As soon as I saw the news this morning, I said I'm going to buy gold. Sure enough, well, in this case, I bought JNUG, okay? And if you guys notice, it looks kind of like a bull flag. It retested this, how do you call it? Retracement line, right? At 1297, the one I had drawn in the Fibonacci. It rejected. It touched it, rejected, I was acting also as a resistance and the 38.2% retracement. I drew this weeks ago. It's just that I like it so much that it gives me a very good entry and exits point. So I am still in. I got in when gold was about 1287. I just saw news coming down and I said, you know what? I think we should be good. I'm gonna buy some gold. So I am in gold. I am in DGAZ. I still think DGAZ is gonna fall. I mean DGAZ. NG is gonna fall. And also I got some Roku puts. So one thing that I saw in Roku, I was about to say, you know what? Roku had an amazing run, right? It was running kind of in the 60, 65 range area. It went up all the way to almost 33%, right? Is that what you guys saw? Yeah, 32% in less than 2 days, right? We are in a bearish market currently. Everything's coming down except Roku. Roku had an excellent recovery. It just gave me an excellent entry point for more puts. Now, 33% extended. It's time for a pullback. I was very confident that Roku was going to come down. I don't hate the company, not at all whatsoever, not even one bit. However, we're in a bearish market. I mean, you guys see this wish list right here, watch list, right? What do you guys see? Oh, red. So I was like, it's safe to say that I want to be in the bear market, especially when a stock rallies, right? So we do have earnings coming today that I'm very interested in. Are Billy, B-I-L-I, for those who are military, Bravo India, Lima India, and also Baba, right? Bravo Alpha. Those two are going to be reporting earnings after market. And guess what? Let's look at Baba really quick. I think that's what Baba needs. Baba needs a good push. If I'm not mistaken, I mean, you guys looking at this, hopefully you guys see it. This kind of looks like a double bottom to me, right? Kind of looks like a double bottom. It's still not my on my signals that I have. RSI is still kind of on the bottom. The SMI is still coming down. There's still no reversal signal. I still think it's gonna try to retest around this level right here. Around this level right here on that line, which is 169.03. I think it's gonna have to retest it to confirm double bottom, and I'm gonna be there to catch a call, because I want to do calls on Baba for sure. I do want to do calls on Baba for sure. So because they have earnings coming. This is one of the biggest companies in China, so I think they're taking all the businesses from China. So technically it should be a good. Now if we look at the calls for today, Baba is at 38%, 38,000 to 16,000 puts. So 38,000 calls, 16,000 puts. There's some puts. The flow, there's a lot of calls coming in. Mostly it's going to be for earnings. I think this is going to be for earnings, and it needs that boost for Baba, right? Roku is fighting it. Roku is fighting that, doesn't want to come down. It got rejected from my 200 SMA. The 200 SMA acted as a resistance, acted as a support on Roku. It rejected again. I'm still bearish, you know, because my RSI indicates it was in the oversold territory. It still needs to come down. My SMI, it already curled down. It's supposed to come down. Reversal signal, my bearish reversal signal is still coming down, and my stochastic full is still coming down. It's making almost like a dead cross. However, you know, it made a dead cross right here and came back up, but it was towards the middle of the stochastic full range, right? So it was right around the middle. This one is almost close to the top, so it should come down. However, it's rejecting quite nicely actually. Might give me a double top, and then I would add more. If it reaches to this level, I would buy more puts. Not because I don't like the company, I just like to make money, right? Okay, put it nice and simple. Oh yeah, oil. Didn't talk about oil. So oil, fundamentally, last Friday, one of the analytical companies was talking about going long on oil. They were talking about this time of day, and sure enough, you know, oil just killed it today. Did great. It went back up. You know, people would have sold. That's, you know, that's great news. However, I wasn't in it. So do I think oil is gonna keep going up? Yeah, I do think so. But first it needs to pull back a bit more. Yeah, I think it's a little bit too high. So it's gonna pull back. So if my drawing is correct, I mean, you guys can see it really here that this is quite a good resistance area. I mean, resistance support area. You know, we saw this being quite a bit of a good support area for oil. It retested it several times. It wouldn't go past it. It went past it one time. However, it recovered right now. And now it's above the SMA, the 200 SMA, and should just have a small pullback, if I'm not mistaken, which I think it already did. I mean, it went up. It probably should pull. Maybe around here before continuing uptrend, and then it's gonna be more like instead of straight up, it's gonna be more like this. Might want to go to 64 now. Another one that's reporting earnings is NIO. So NIO reports earnings today. Billy reports earnings today. I'm in NIO just because it's so freaking cheap. 13. So today is in Billy. Baba, I don't think it's today. Baba, I think it's the 15. Baba is the 15. Yeah. So Baba is the 15. Billy is today. NIU today. We kind of see Billy making a double bottom as well on the hourly. Right? So those are my thoughts. I'm not going to buy Billy just because, yeah, I don't want to buy Billy. I prefer buying Baba, which is a stronger company. And Roku. Let's go look at Roku one more time. Let's see if it rejects. It needs to go past below the SMA. Ooh, what was that sound? It tried again and couldn't. It got rejected again. All right. So everything is in a downturn. Oh my God. Lyft. Well, Lyft doesn't surprise me. That's been going down since the day it opened. Tesla going down to 225. That doesn't surprise me. They have some how do you call it, factories in China. Apple, well, we're talking about Apple. B&F, Barnes & Nobles. I actually like this company. I like buying it. SQ seems to reject at 62. So we got Baba. So let's see. Now is where, we were talking about it, right? That it was gonna try to touch 169.03. It is a 169.03. Level 2 looking kind of okay. If it gets rejected, I'm buying. I'm gonna set my alarm here. All right, so I set my alarms. If it goes past that, then I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to wait to come in. I need to see a kind of a reversal, a reject. I mean, it's rejecting. However, I'm watching it. So anyways, I want you guys to watch this video as soon as possible. So I'm going to stop recording. And it took me 12 minutes. Alrighty. See you guys.